Yeah.
You gotta believe in the beauty of the struggle, so you can look in the mirror and tell them that you're all good. That will be days of the struggle. You gotta see the all.
Please go and check out this song on YouTube, okay?
Doing what you gotta do, cause you gotta live the kind of life that you like to. What am I trying to say?
Pray, grind, focus.
My nigga, that's the way. Seems they will mock you later.
Pray, grind, focus. That is the way. Nobody, everybody is a somebody. Have that in your mind. Nobody, everybody is a somebody. Make I call Skipo. Okay, Skipo, please, if you are here, Moses, I see you. Big shout out to you, Moses. Skipo, if you are here, please send me a request. Send me a request. Let me try to invite Skipo, you know. Yeah, I don't send Skipo invitation card. Let's see if we go accept them.
Baba God, Moscow City. Yeah, the was involved. I've been winner, the was involved. I've been winner, and Daniel foot. I've been winner, and Dobia. Singing and I'm definitely the was involved. I've been winner, the was involved. I've been winner, and Daniel foot. I've been winner, and Dobia. Singing and I'm definitely the was involved. I've been winner, the was involved. I've been winner, and Daniel foot.
Oluwa na-edum abụkwa m dadi mmụọ nsọ ya mere m ji na-akụ ana m akụ non stop nwanne roll up. Please tell us your name and where you're calling us from, please.
Skipo, calling from the Lekki side of Moscow.
Whoa, big shout out to you, Skipo, calling from Lekki side of Moscow. Big shout out to you for joining us. God bless you for joining us. And my brother, that's a money question show with Don Zubi. And our first question goes this way. As a woman, will you walk up to a man and ask him out? And as a man, have you experienced that before? Have you experienced this before as a man?
As a man, I never experienced any lady walk up to me like, tell me boldly, say, I want make we run parole, but some signal there. As a sharp guy, you go know some signal. Say,
whoa, what kind of signal, please?
Many signals in as a guy, man is supposed to know. You know, just need to get. My brother, many signal. You know the guy, you supposed to know. I know they can't give you signal where babes they give now. I'm not they bust babes and code. If you change the code tomorrow, so if you surgery rich to know the signal, follow up. If you know surgery, you dollar. And mostly, if girls they give you signal, you can't dollar. They feel hate you for life. So as a sharp guy,
they feel hate you for life.
But I know me say they give signal, you can't chop finish, you can't begin put her panel, put her among your friends and they gossip them. All those one are falling hand too. That makes some girls they say no trying for Moscow boys. Because of Moscow boys, then too dull, reach the level where we say then go chop no. They don't carry on food the whole town. But that one, I'm gonna leave that one. I don't answer that question. Let's go to the next topic.
So what will be your advice now for the both sides? What will be your advice for the both sides? Should all those girls maybe say they don't get that encouragement to walk up to a guy and ask them out? What will be your advice for them?
My advice to them be say make them just package themselves. Nobody say they'll just lose guard themselves anyhow. Say they just want show the boy, begin run, enter DM. They go instead of the boy to slide, enter DM, you go slide, go the boy DM.
See you for joining.
You see, just lose guard yourself for club anyhow. Just package yourself. If you package yourself, if not smart guy, you see your signal, he must dance to your tune. But know yourself so cheap.
Whoa, Adebasa said something. Skipo, you stay too long with your makeup. Whoa.
No. Point of correction.
Hold up, please go ahead.
Point of correction. I don't want what happened to Kojo to happen to me. My network they fail and I go change my beret. Those in a black I wear yesterday. Because of my hair they bushy, I need to go change my beret. Make I know like say 91 cap I wear every day. So I not do makeup. Point of correction.
So my brother,
please.
Is it?
Hope say Mr. Agu is online.
Mr. Agu,
because
I don't know if Agu is watching, making.
Please, Oga Agu, with all due respect, if you are online, please identify yourself that you are online. With all due respect, I will not like the situation whereby after finish talking, some of your miscreants then go call you for back. Says people talk this or people talk that.
Hold up, please, my brother. Please, let's mind our speech, please. Let's mind our speech, please. Let's mind our language, please.
I'm sorry for using that word. Maybe they call you for back, tell you say something I talk. At least if they call you say something I talk, the video they YouTube, you go single watch them, and I go repeat them. Why are they the like call sometimes? Is sometimes are they two who get my woman? They always say make I need even call sometimes because some issues they are they too emotional to pull my voice out. So you can't be like say I they shout. Yesterday, I don't want to shout, but Zubi say, Skipo, loud your voice. What I'm trying to say in essence is this. Mr. Eluchi, before I go place, let me correct you for one thing. You said something like, some of these niggas, they are hypocrites. What Zaga is saying is different from Mr. Agu. Zaga is calling all the way from Lagos. Zaga is not a Moscow base. Zaga is talking about what he's doing in Lagos. That one is a problem for Lagos here. But Mr. Agu, as an elderly man in Moscow, not be small picking, elderly man in Moscow. Some elderly people they watch this platform, but then they feel call. They don't get the boldness, the confidence to talk. And we, the youth, some youth did this program. They're supposed to learn from you, and you go come this platform. They take us like a joke or what? Everybody here is above 18. Even the ones who know they're above 18, they want to learn. As an wait not talking, they repeat. As an elderly man, you go come here, this platform, share your art. Just imagine, elderly man like you coming to this platform. Okay, let's just say this program a joke. Because me, I take them serious. If Zubi not take them serious, maybe I'll stop wasting my time here, coming here in the morning to listen to something. We take this program serious. Why you go come? You just imagine, come today again, commit on that blunder. You carry 6 girls, you write your number from the paper, you give them, you fork them. Man, you be senior man now. How do you want us to see you outside tomorrow? Respect you. You are a senior man for crying out loud. Okay, you make a statement again about Fan ID Boys. Say why these girls, they follow Fan ID Boys. Bros, think them very well inside your heart. When this, let me not use the Fan ID Boys as an example. When I came to this country, to meet some older men, I was talking like far back 2006. These older men, you are the ones advising us not to date black girls. Stay away from black girls if you want to progress in this country. Don't date black girls. You get older men. You are preaching it to us always. Stay away from black girls. But now, you are the people dragging the same black girls with these Fan ID Boys. Say why then they follow Fan ID Boys? Fan ID Boys no get prick. They no be human being. Why some people will just come to this platform, you will be saying and they will be laughing. Hey, bros, continue, bros, continue. Bros, for day, for night to afternoon. Even you get one time, I said, me and you meet for feed when Brafia they play ball. You won't attack me. You dey take everything like joke. Me, I change my face for you. Me, I let you know straight up. Because I know some talk where they talk for side. If you talk on side, make I know here. But if you bring them to my front, me, I go face you. Because you are trying to make a statement like...
Bro, please, you are going far. If there's anything you want to say, please, let us cut it short, please, okay? Make your point, please.
Now, my point that they make, Zubi, what I'm trying to say is this. Don't cut me short. The Agu is saying you not cut him short. If you are coming to this platform...
Forgive me, I say, go ahead.
If you are coming to this platform, please, go straight to the point. Don't come out, then they talk of topic A, go straight to that topic A, not divert, come out from there. They begin face baby mama. They begin face baby papa them. They begin face this one. It's not necessary. It's not necessary. Go straight to the point. That's what I'm trying to say. Because now they say, call Skipo back, then tell me something. Say Skipo talk. People will tell you you're supposed to go watch them, and they talk them again and they repeat them. Me, I don't come here, I don't be motivational speaker. If I don't get any point I won't give, if I don't get any answer for the question, I pipe low and listen to people that is saying. But don't come here and start making just of one boy, this one. It's not necessary. You be senior man now. For crying out loud, you are a senior man. So that word is not necessary. So if you want to call back and come in, I will not come back and be challenging you. Say this one. Me, I don't talk the one I want to talk. Now my own opinion with that. As a senior man, respect yourself. If you are coming here, go straight to the point, hit the nail. Stop telling me like so I host Skipo word for hand. If I talk Skipo no go sleep that house all night. Are you kidding me? I don't do that category, bros. Please, with all due respect, mind your statements. Zubi, any question?
No, as I say, make it cut and short. People just attack me. So if you don't go talk all your points, just let me know. If there's any other thing they want to add, stay add, okay?
No, wait till they try to talk like you say, because the thing on the bill I say, now beef matter. Because when I want to talk yesterday, I did wait, make the bros be online. I even write, bros Agu, please, I would like you to be online so that I go talk for your front, make you know, like say they go call you later. Begin go narrate me, give you. As a senior man, this advice, so you as you not even give us advice. That's why you know give your set of caucus them that year. You man, I make the love not this country till now. The love not this country because those set of those people, the atrocity where they cause for this town. Now only God go feel watch the atrocity. If they see me for road to, I don't roll with the old ones. I don't roll with the young ones. If you give me the opportunity, if I die today, I happen to come back, you give me the opportunity, I would like to roll with the young ones. Sometimes they will look and say, this keep on the expensive. These small boys in the follow. I would like to follow those small boys than to follow those old cargo them. Because those old cargo, what they do, they are very evil. Now, only God will forgive them. Putting some people in a train, go put for Kuzmiki, say from Kuzmiki, go see Germany. Send people go different jail. They never talk of those. If they go talk of fine ID boys, where they follow older woman, they talk of baby mama. Is baby mama your problem? Come out and say the truth and make your point and stop saying baby mama, baby mama. What is baby mama? If everybody leave the baby mama, who go follow them? No, no follow. And some of them go there. So then go like your woman. Then go like your woman. That your woman and they call baby mama. So then go like her. Then go they pretend. Then go do you Snapchat. They send and give your woman. Sometimes I mean they even read on a message. I mean they read. I go just so that. But me I don't be person say I get loud. I know. Sometimes before they demand on a message they pumping. I'm blessed. I am blessed to marry a very wonderful wife. I know can you come preach love or preach this thing. But if you are hungry, that people they do like this, it's your problem. It's your problem. It's not my problem. Me, I just talk the one. If he pay you, I know to disrespect you, but I'm just saying on a crew, on a know on ourselves. Some senior men in the year so when we say that they talk say well done, this. They know inside them. They go see call me later. They talk say Skipo, well done, this. I don't need all those free. I don't need them. If I don't get today, I know one or two people where I go call. I feel ask something from. I need a shame for that one. If the day where they get, I they help, I they give. So no come be say you give one person small thing today, you come tomorrow, come talk for live video or come narrate the person. Say the person do this, my friend, it's not necessary. All these boys, if you be fine ID for year, don't let anybody buga you. Nobody be anybody for this country. Like nobody be anybody. Nobody be anybody God. Zubi, I rest my case.
Thank you, Skipo Novo. I respect you. I respect you. Keep watching. You know, we started this together. I respect you for that. Thank you for your clarification, please. God bless you. Please stay tuned. Please, for me, please. I need to really get into this. I beg. I started this program. No be say more come here come the fight. Okay. I didn't start this program more come the gossip. My page no be what in the gossip. I beg. If you know say you get something where they right, sensible, we be say all of us go learn. Come talk am. Make we learn. Stop bringing issue wey happen before where I no know about, where I no even know where the country start. I no even know. I beg. No use I'm involved in my page. Oh, I beg. What we dey do here? See my question, answer the question, share your idea, share your opinion. Anyone can take from it. If anyone don't want to take it from it, leave it. So no come here, I come dey make my show. They be like saying I fight to. I beg. Here no be gossip page. Because guess now go begin work up and now doesn't be page na gossip page. My page no be gossip page. Na entertainment we dey do here. Now they do. Everybody know me say they do entertainment. So this is another way of passing a message of about entertainment. Because if I didn't bring something like this out, people no go dey interesting. So I bring something wey be say go dey interesting for everybody to put in their work. So no be say we come here, come dey show ourselves. If you dey here, dey show yourself. I go begin block people. More I not say disrespect anybody. If you dey here, say one come dey make wahala, I go block you, please. So let's go back to the question of the day. I will soon end the program. Who is the next caller, please? Our question of today goes this way. As a lady, have you walked up to a man and asked him out before? So as a man, have you experienced this before? You know, as much as they make am dey fun, no mean say we no know where we dey head to. You know, I need to put something wey be say we dey make am dey attractive, but you know mean say we dey joke for here. Sure understand. And we know they joke for here. Nobody they bring time, come they waste here. Nobody get that time to waste, bro. So, but if you are doing something, more all of us they learn, I beg. More all of us they learn. Please, let's listen to this song, you know, Where You Dey by J. Claus. Okay, that is my own piece of advice. So, tell me where you dey when I don't get money. This J. Claus song, let me sing on. Dino, I will call you after this song, okay? Tell me where you dey. Tell me where you dey. Fire burn them. J. Claus, I like this fire where you say for this your music. Osho for the man. Hey. Tell me where you dey. Tell me where you dey. Why I no get money to enter metro? Big shout out for everyone that be supporting the Nzubi program, okay? Not too much. Tell me where you dey. No, I will not do the program for night, okay? Forgive me for that one. Dino, I'm trying to call you. Dino, I'm trying to call our brother Dino. He sent me a request before. Please send me a request, okay? Let me add you up. Send me a request if you want me to call you, okay? Because the show will end in... I have more 30 minutes to stay here. You know, I'm supposed to end this program, but... So, I call him. If you dey around, please. Yeah, you know, please send me a request, okay? Tell me where you dey.
Zubi, call me. Zubi.
Hold up. So, sir, please, can you kindly tell us your name one more time, please?
My brother, my name Nagwe, you understand? I see what his people talk. Okay, well.
So, welcome back, sir. Welcome back. We know we have...
Skipo, if there any way my word in this forum offended you, forgive me. Our blood that opened this place for us to learn from each other. You understand? And the topic today is if girl they ask man out. You understand? And I'm already saying my mind before. You understand? What make woman to ask man out? Even some girls go here say man buy Mercedes car. Believe me, they go to launch the man like a fire. Some girls go tell their friends, say, I like this your guy, you connect me, or even, for example, now my guy get money, now I go carry one girl, come use them against the boy. And I make it they collect money from the guy. Me, I know they against what anybody want to do. But the question here is that any girl that asking woman out, asking man out, is because that man has money, or the man is handsome, or the man is, what I call it, fuck well. You understand? I say, I'm not going to call anybody name again. But I will call somebody name. If the person wants to die, make it die. You understand? Like a young king, you have every quality. You understand? My father tell me, say, make you no carry who find pass to go your girlfriend house. If not, you go lose her. You understand? Like a young king, if you can't go to your girlfriend house, but if you know him go for two together, the guy go to ask you the guy a number. It don't happen to me. I go talk him. Now my man EB. For fan club where they use against me. I never did against any fan club guy. You understand? Even me, they tell them when they come here, come in Moscow, I lent house for where they stay. If I tell them, say their best option here to follow black girls to stand well. You know, I advise them. Anybody where they here, they go no. I never did against them. You understand? What I mean by fine girls, what I talk about that is that they get our girls where they are up to 10 years, 9 years, 11 years, you understand? Even then they go to these fine boys, even to deceive them, not be saying they love them. They don't love them. You understand? I know they're against them. You understand? They just say all old guys where they must go don't tire. Don't they old? They want new boys. But those new boys are wise past them. You understand? They're smart, even past us where they here a long time. I know they're against them. If I'm always even I tell them, see what we go do. Make we connect ourselves to all those old gears to move forward in life. You understand? Because we will not get that opportunity. And the baby mama, I know they're against baby mama. You understand? But there are three types of baby mama in Moscow. You understand? Number one, you get the one when in mama day in Nigeria, they tell and say, I need grandchildren, I need grandchildren, I need grandchildren. You go enter one boy now, you go give her the belly. You get the one, where to say if you get belly for your boyfriend, the boyfriend no go fuck that girl again, you go fall in love with her. Then you get the one where there is slave law between two of them, they born normal picking. So I don't see anywhere I'm there fault on it. Every girl when they here understand what I mean. You get some their mama go they tell them say, I need my grandchildren. You have me, I mean don't born finish, why you know one born? From there they born because they like the man we born for them. They born because they need that children. There's a ladies where they must go here. They don't care who born the children for them, but they want to have a child. So they want to take care of their child. They don't care who you are. You get my point? So I know they against baby mama or no baby mama, but to get your own choice to do. The point I did against baby mama be say, you go see some men where like you, when you have that baby with you, you know go do them. You go do them with another person. Tomorrow, you come back. Go they bring the same man where he just 2 years ago money to feed the African. That's where I did against. You get my point now. That's where I did against. So nobody come here and say I'm talking against baby mama, or I'm talking against this one, I'm talking against this one. I'm not talking against anyone. We come here to learn. When somebody talk, learn. Yesterday I make my statement. I don't mention Skipo name. Never. He is the person that mentioned my name. Today he mentioned my name again. You understand? You know, so but for me, they call old guy, old guy. He's old guy. Everybody is old guy in Moscow. You get the way he old pass. You understand? So because of your program, you understand? We need to build it. Let's use love. They here, share our view. Other guys and the guys learn how to stay here. We will not stay here a long time. Use our own experience, teach them how to move forward. That is what make us brothers and sisters in Russia here. You understand? Because everything we they do is here, not other country. We don't know how other countries do their own thing. We are here to manage our life. You understand? Not anybody take anything personal for this forum. You understand? You don't, if you take it personal, everybody know how to do war. You understand? So everybody know how to talk. No be one person know how to talk. Some people they use now, people they use against old guy. And I admit that old guy they're bad, they this, they that. He is old guy. Get people to say they're bad too. Nobody is perfect in this life. You understand? Nobody is perfect. So when we are here, maybe we know they take things personal.
Okay, sir.
You
Okay, sir.
understand?
I hope
We talk
you
our
have
mind.
the point clear. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So Skipo, if I've offended you, let's close it today. Okay? We are brothers.
Okay.
I know I am understanding you. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your clarification. Thank you. Keep watching the program, okay? I'm calling Dino. Please, please, Dino, please send me a request, okay? Because there are so many messages here. Okay, I have seen you. I'm calling Dino. Please listen to this song, Don J. Big shout out to you, Don J. Yeah, Epagino. I'm calling Epagino now. Please, can you send me a request back, okay? Please check this guy out, okay? Don J is a Cameroonian. I don't know if you can see it. Just Google it on YouTube. Tamper with you. Yeah, baby. My chérie, oh, I'm in love. Oh.
Me. Yes, it's Kojo.
I'm in love. Oh. Yo, bro, please, we have you one more time, please. I don't know. You do have anything to add, bro? Because I'm trying to call Dino. I don't know why Dino is not connecting.
Dino, I'm with Dino actually, but Dino's phone is off. I think is off.
Okay,
yes,
please, can you give him phone, please? Let's hear from him, please. Please,
yes,
forgive us.
let me first talk, then I think I'll give it to him with all due respect. Yeah, Zubi, first of all, I want to come up to you for one thing. For some time now, I'm not trying to, this is not disrespect, but
please,
I just
2
want
minutes,
to be real.
or 3 minutes, please.
Yes,
please.
2 minutes, 3 minutes. I want to just make it clear. It's like you are being a bit partial. When our old man call, you can give him enough time for him to talk and express his mind and talk some kind of things that is not even called for. But when anybody call and the person maybe want to clarify himself based on what he's saying or based on someone else is saying, you pick it like a quarrel. Nobody is here to quarrel. If we want somebody, because there are some certain things that man comes up and pick it up. Me as a guy, I know he's a senior man. I respect him so much. But there are many things that he comes up to say here. It's of. I'm coming.
Bro, we have settled this matter. Please, let's
we have
forward, okay?
We have settled the matter. That does not mean that somebody gets something from mine. You understand? I am only saying that there are some certain things that the man needs to talk, because I also want to learn from him. Because I see him as an elderly man. So there are some certain things he comes up here and talk about that is not relevant. You understand? Yes. So okay. you should get that clear. I'm not here to tackle him or fight with him. That is all. So let me give it to Dino.
Okay. Thank you, my brother. God bless you.
Dino, take.
Let me put it.
Whoa, hold up. Please tell us your name and where you're calling us from, please.
My name is Dino. I'm calling from Moscow.
Okay, big shout out to you, MC Dino, and big shout out to my Moscow family watching now. Please, our topic goes this way. I don't know whether you can hear me.
I'm hearing you.
Okay, as a lady, have you woke up to a man and asked him out? And as a man, have you experienced this before?
I've experienced it. And
before go ahead.
Before I go further, I want to quickly tell you something, Zubi. I know.
Today.
Listen to me. Don't tell me hold
Okay.
up. Listen to me. Don't tell me that.
Go ahead.
Listen to me. It's good for someone to be real, be plain. I know Oga Charlie have come here and said he's sorry. You said something that you didn't open this platform for beef or for each other, one another to tackle themselves.
Yeah.
But Oga Charlie came here several times, day before yesterday. He left the discussion and started attacking baby mamas. Why didn't you tell him that you didn't open this platform for such kind of insult? Skipo came out and poured out his mind. He said everything Skipo said was on point. You understand me? If you are opening a platform and you ask a question, let everybody talk according to the question you ask. If anyone is deviating from that question, you should be able to console the person. You can give Oga Charlie 30 minutes, 1 hour to talk, but other people will be expressing themselves. You say, hold up. Don't tell me hold up. You understand me? Don't do that again. Let's just straighten things up. Oga Charlie, I respect you a lot. Please,
open apology.
listen to me. Listen to me. Oga Charlie, I respect you a lot. Leave baby mamas alone. They are not your problem. If you help anyone, don't come here and start saying I help. And baby mamas, don't go to Oga Charlie and ask for help again. You understand me? All those people, they do giveaway. Come write the person, they come post them. Make everybody they know say they do giveaway. Stop that. You understand me? So I don't talk my mind.
But my brother, but ain't not saying this sorry now because you now.
I don't hear. Even if someone apologizes to you, you still ought to pour your mind and let it go.
Yeah, that one.
Which I did. So you don't do.
Made them no go back to Oga Charlie again. You know, say that is another problem.
If now you go back, if they help people, they come platform, they talk IT help people. If now you go back, you don't get sense. More leave that matter. You don't apologize. More forget them. More pass.
Okay,
please.
Yeah, more forget that. Please, let's go to the topic, please.
Yes. And I said it has happened to me before, and I've listened to some comments. Some guys do say that two girls approached him and he turned them down. My brother, you get the kind of girl who will approach you.
Do you believe that story? Do you believe that story?
That's a very big fallacy. That's a very big fallacy. You understand me? Unless the girl knows Ben. You understand me? Yeah. You get girl who will approach you, you can't say no. You can't say no, my brother. Even if you have a girlfriend, you can't say no. Let's just be truthful. It has happened to me. I didn't say no, my brother.
Me, I didn't say no.
I like that girl we call for, we felt like saying a Canada if I call. Later I got to say na Spain if I call. You understand me? Even Sitia said everything plain. When we are in this platform, let's be real. Let's say something real. Not be say your girlfriend they wash, you can't come here, they try to paint things. No, let's be real. Let's just talk real. Zubi, I appreciate your program. Keep it up. This place is not for beef. We're just speaking our mind. Thank you. I'm driving.
God bless you. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. Whoa, yeah. Timo, what's good, Timo, my friend? How are you,
brother?
My brother. Big shout out to you, Timo.
Yeah, good.
So, guys, please, I'm in love right now. I'm in love, right? Who I go shoot shot now? I'm in love now. Can I walk up to someone now? Don J.
For your love, I can give everything. Yeah.
You can give everything.
For my baby, I can do anything. Yeah. Make my love no better like you. My love is for real. My love no be like you. My love is for real.
Big shout out to you, Alanta CEO. Big shout out to you, Alanta. Maximum respect to you. I respect you, Alanta, watching live. Big shout out to you. Whoa, hold up, please tell us your name and where you're calling us from, please.
Awesome.
As in, I mean, no be small. I mean, no be small world. But I will overcome now. You know me. Hello, please tell us your name and where you're calling us from, please.
Ebuka the Melody, calling from Moscow.
Please, we are not seeing your face. Can you show us your face, please?
Hold up. Hey, Zubi, the person will call you. The person will call you, don't drop phone, don't leave me.
Okay, Obinna, please, can you tell us your name and where you're calling us from, please?
Obinna from Moscow.
Big shout out to you, Olu Obinna from Moscow. That's a money question show with Don Zubi, and our question of today goes this way. As a lady, have you woke up to a man and asked him out before? So, as a man, have you experienced that before? Have any lady have woke up to you and asked you out?
If any girl have woke up to me and asked me out. Now your question is Zubi.
If they see me, they ask me.
That will not be question no. That will not be question now.
Answer now, no problem. No answer, please.
Well, they wait for answer. I don't say you now. You get what I want to get. You get somebody will come this place. Like,
Obinna, please, can you kindly answer our question, please? Before you can stop on another thing, please answer our question, please.
Okay. Yes, it don't happen, of course. Yes.
So can you give us 2 minutes narrative the way it happened, please?
The way it happened. I'm not fear explain because several times it happened, so I know the fear. But
so how can we believe what you're claiming something now? How can we believe you, bro?
See, you get somebody will call this life. We say, if he asks boy out, say, if he go walk up to boy, tell him still alive. That person don't already walk out tire come home. He don't walk out tire. I see the lie here. He lie here. Now me come at this. I want to let him know say that person the lie. That's yes. So
please, we didn't get what you mean, my brother. Please, if it didn't happen to you, tell us how did it happen and where, please.
Okay, how did it happen to me?
Yes.
Several times now. Several times. I'm not going to use Moscow. I'm not going to use Moscow. I don't want Nigeria. It happened for Nigeria.
No, okay, no problem. Choose anyone. Yeah. Just tell us the story.
It happened for Nigeria. So then, I want to explain this now. You know, see that for Nigeria, now for church today. Now church, the person come from church. You understand? He come from church. Now church today, where he does come. I sit down. Yeah, I sit down for church actually. Service don't close. With the way to go out. So I just sit down. She just come. She just come both. She just come. I like your height. Can I just? She said, I like your height. Can I have your number? Now so she just talking for church with them. And that girl, if you see that girl, no. She no fine. I don't see that word. She no fine. She no fine. So based on that time for Nigeria now, where are they? I look myself. I know they select girls that time now. If I ever manage myself, see, if one girl can't talk to me that herself, if girl can't talk to me that time with manage, I go rush her more. Because if they had self say from some girls that time for Nigeria, I know they see them in their heart, they be like scarce, when people are scarce for Nigeria, and so it be hard though. You understand? So that time I lost because I just with this girl just come make her rush now. I started to follow her up. So, but now, as it stands now, I get taste. I select to me. Several times, the many now as they come. So when you come, if I look you, if I say you know the person what I want, or I shift.
Please, my brother Obinna, if you want to make a point, hit a point, okay? Now we don't even know where you're telling us. So now here in Moscow now. Have any they walk up to you and ask you out before? This is a simple question. I don't know.
Of course, yes. They have walked up to me. They have asked me out several times on social media, physical, you know.
So tell us, just pick anyone. Just pick any one of them story. Just tell us now. What do we want to hear from you, bro?
You get one.
Go ahead. Hold up, please. Go ahead.
You get one way. That if you remember that way, you go picking do wedding. Sorry, I say wedding. Naming ceremony, birthday, yeah. You go pick birthday, occasion. Somebody woke up to me. Now the one I feel easily remember. He just woke up to me, but the next thing he say, I've been seeing you in my dream. Yeah.
Wall up.
Nah, see Joseph.
Go ahead.
See Joseph. Oh. He said, I've been seeing you in my dream. Oh. Say I know you. I always appear in a dream. Who you be? And you know, I just surprised say somebody go fit dey talk this kind of thing. But when I look Oga, you know fine. You know fine. So I no answer am. I tell am say I dey come. Na say I dey discharge am because you know fine. But if to say that girl, you know, that girl carry, she fine, she carry, she get everything complete. Brother, I will tell her say yes, na me see for dream, na me.
Whoa! Wall up, please go ahead.
I'll tell her say na me you see for dream, you understand? So I go follow her up na normal thing now. If you like guy, you go walk up to her, tell her now, see. So when if you be girl, you know, so many of them, I don't follow many of them through their sight and also their body contact. They don't go come meet you, they like you. You understand? But when you sit down and they don't look you already, where you don't say, I just want to say, I need a toast, as in I hardly toast girl for outside. I hardly toast girl. Say you see me for maybe we go club now, you see me for one place, one corner, they talk to girl, and they toast girl up, and I need to do all those things. And they watch because see people, this wall, most of the walls get eyes. If they don't see they talk to one girl now, the next thing they go see that boy, see him, you get your friend, see him, they will narrate you. So I dey watch myself well. I need to talk to girl for outside.
Someone say for your mind. Someone say for your mind now.
Leave that one, Namugu. I need to talk to girl for outside. They watch, you understand? I dey watch. So sometimes when they come, body contact, I will see them. If I don't see the person, if I know them, I'll go find them for social media platform. I'll find them, go there. When I find them, I see them, this girl they give me contact. I go follow them up for social media. From there, I carry them. He go photo, he go succumb. Na normal level, he go succumb. So it does.
Obinna, you are talking to us with Collins IG, and you are replying messages. We don't know
reply. Not me call you. The person will call. Not me call you. In the wrong.
We understand, but you are replying message. I'm seeing your comments now.
See my hand. See the mugu. See how.
So who is replying your message? Who is replying your message? So my brother, so what is your advice now for the both sides?
Advice for both sides. Yes, well, for men, for guys, if girl walk up to you, you know, if girl walk up to you, tell you say, like you know man. If not your taste, you follow or not your taste, you leave and come out. But as a girl, if you don't say you like guy, you go walk up to her, tell her. So you don't need to look whether you know the guy spec or whatever. Once you like him, you go meet him, walk up to her, tell him, say, see as he be, normal level. So no big thing about him. I mean, no be lie. And so now.
So my brother, in case if that our sister will walk up to you and tell you saying they see you for her dream all the time. In case if you are watching, please forgive this young man. You know, he need to select. Okay, he's not abusing you. He's not letting you down. That is my peace of mind. Okay, please keep shooting your shots. No matter say Obinna reject you, another person will accept you. Okay, please Obinna, thank you for joining us. Is there any other thing you want to add?
No.
Okay, God bless you for your time with us. Okay, keep watching.
Ebuka say shoot your shots for her.
Ebuka, your girlfriend is watching us now. Your girlfriend is here watching us now. That's why I cannot say anything. We understand that. Okay, please stay safe, my brother. My brother, before I go ahead, please listen to this song. This is Elijah's production. Come back home, please. Today, I tell you, say I did in love today. I fall in love today. So all the song why they play, I love song. This is all Moscow artist song, all Moscow celebrity. Now they play. Okay. Please come back home, baby more, baby more. I love you so. Oh. If you are not in love now, please find a partner now. Fall in love right now, please. I love you so.
My pains are gone. Love is back. The tears I read. I can't still watch you cry. My home is far. I can't still watch you go. I plead to stay. The love is blind, but I can't see. We kids for fun. The heart is broke. We sleep in pinks. It rains on my eyes. Shout out to Queen 5.
Big shout out to you, LJs. Hello. Please tell us your name and where you're calling us from, please.
Normally, now guys supposed to ask lady out, but
this is last caller for the show. Please, who am I talking to, please? I want to hear one more caller before I end the show, okay? Because I'm ending, okay? This is 3 o'clock, okay? Please, guys, please join Don ZB every morning. I started this show by 10 a.m. in the morning. Please try and wake up. Put alarm. If you love this show, put your alarm. Then anyone you do not watch, please go on my YouTube channel and click there and download and share. Please love what I do. Please support me wherever you can. Just share and love. Like my page. Share, please. That's the only thing I request for. I need one more caller before I end the show. Because this is 3 o'clock. Call Baron. Someone say call Baron. I love you so. What to do? Hold up. Please tell us your name and where you're calling us from. Yes. Hello. Saver, no send me request if you don't want to talk. Please, I will call your name. I just need one call to end the show. LJ, your heart is hot. Who hot LJ is?
Don Zubi, good morning.
Hello. Please tell us your name and where you're calling us from, please.
My name is Amabel and I'm calling from Moscow.
Amabel from Moscow. Big shout out to you, Amabel. Big shout out to my Moscow family watching now. So please, just a money question show with Don Zubi, and our topic goes this way. As a lady, have you woke up to a man and asked her out before? Ask him out.
I've never done that before. I've never done that before, and I don't think it's wise. A lot of guys nowadays, if a lady walks up to them, they kind of feel,
please,
I don't know,
please,
but me, I've never walked up to
3 minutes, please, because I'm ending the show now, please.
I've never walked up to a guy and asked him out. I've never shot my shot at a guy. Never shoot my shot at a guy, so I don't know.
Hey, problem they for the comment. See these people where they comment section below. Nothing we go tell them, make them stop their comments.
So I don't even need to shoot my shot at a guy. If I enter place, the guy go notice me, go walk up to me. Abba, I be fine girl, I no break leg. If I enter place, the guys
because
Zubi, I naked. I never wake up. So why don't break when they do your show for night? No, yeah. I cannot wake up sleep. I see the bed.
So what is the advice now? What is the advice now for those ladies where they walk up to man and ask them out?
Zubi, it's their own option if they feel. Sometimes they okay to meet guy where you like. Some guys they're responsible. Like on Twitter, I've seen a lot of testimonies where girls go to guys on their DM and they ask them out, and before you know it ends in marriage. So it's their own option. If they wish to do it, it's fine. It's fine. So I'm not getting any advice for them. If they believe is what they want, they should go for it.
Okay. Because you are the last caller today. God bless you. Please, next time, try and wake up on time, okay? That's why I don't have enough time to talk, okay? Please,
no,
the show start by 10
Thank
a.m.
you, Zubi.
God bless you. Keep watching the show, okay?
All right now. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Please go and download all these songs, okay? Don't miss anyone, okay? Please, please, just my piece of advice and piece of appreciation for everyone, because I love everybody. I don't get anybody from mine. Please, I believe anybody will come this platform, no get anybody from mine. Now, wait till you understand. Once you there for here, whether they are commenting, whether they are talking, just know it's in a phone. Okay, that is another way of them passing their message around. Okay, There is some comment we say go dey funny, but you will still learn something from there. So please don't mistake some comments. Please, no say nobody they beef you, nobody get you for mind. Why we are doing this, we want to progress in life, because I don't think there's nobody that want to progress. Everybody want to progress. Me, I want to progress. So, and I believe everybody within this platform want to progress. Please, if you don't want to progress, stay away from my page. Okay? Please, I love you guys. I love you guys. Nancy, I will call you tomorrow. Wake up on time tomorrow. This is 3 o'clock. I don't have any other time to stay here, okay? Please forgive me if I did not pick your call today. Tomorrow is another day. Join me by tomorrow by 10 a.m. See you guys. Moscow to the world, Moscow to the nation. Putty, we love you. Signing out.